geared up. What is good and what is good, YouTube? It's your boy Cookie D 1080p coming back at you with another video. And today, like I said, we're just gonna go run some errands real quick. It's about like, I think like 9 in the morning. Battery light always stays on, don't know why. Damn, this bitch got hot pretty quickly. And it's going up actually, huh? This is the very first time it's done that. It usually doesn't pass. Like, what the heck? It's good, I guess, right? Uh-oh. Well, it's going back, it's going up, so it's kind of scaring me on the cool. I don't know what happened. Let's check it out. There's no water underneath the car. My water pump fucked up. My fan is still going. Oh no. Damn, hold on guys. Hold on guys, this is kind of concerning me. Holy shit. Oh, what the fuck? Now it's all the way down. What the hell is going on? Oh dude, I hope my truck's not overheating. Hold on, one second. So I don't really know what's going on, to be honest with you. I just noticed that my speedometer stopped working as well. But damn, I don't really know, man. What the heck? This truck has a lot to work on, you know, like, how would I say it? Like, the electronic stuff, I think is all messed up, maybe. I got no radio, as you can tell. No radio. At least I got heat. At least I got heat, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, look, I'm gonna show you the little peel that I did. These are the Ford Ranger tires right there, or the tire. Look at my tire. Look at my screek. And then I hit second up here. I was like, heck yeah. Shoot, but yeah, we're almost to Dollar General. It's not really far from my house, so. Oh, look at that clutch. Switching gears from my left hand, boy. Boy, what you know about that? What you know about that? Oh my God, is it not open? Oh yeah, it is. All right, I'll catch you guys in a bit.
Si no sale la veo y
No, I got you. Dude, I just made this bitch not leak air, bro. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's not leaking air. And that's my second wheel. This is my third wheel. And you can tell because look, AA. The tires you bought, and it's not leaking. So I'm gonna put this one in the back and ooh boy. Hold on. Dude, I'm riding spinners.